All right, we are going to take our persuasive workbook assignment quiz number 2. So let's start the quiz. All right, so question number 1 says, which type of media is most likely to accompany a newspaper article? So which type of media would you most likely see in a newspaper article? Would it be a photograph, an illustration, or a graphic art? Question number 2, look at the picture. This is an advertisement to get people to visit the city of Philadelphia. Which statement best describes how the images are used to convey the message? A, the photograph uses boring pictures of the city. B, the colors and imagery highlight the exciting and lively parts of the city. C, the ad wants to attract only businessmen, so it highlights the many offices found in the city. Question number 3. Which best describes how the image communicates the viewpoint that children who live in poverty often face other health risks as well? So you're looking at that picture there. The use of black and white focuses the viewer's attention on the background or setting. The far away shot gives the photograph a hopeful mood. The close-up shot focuses attention on the state of the children's faces and clothing. Question number 4, look at the advertisement. Which best identifies a message found in this advertisement? Wear Under Armour and train hard to accomplish your goals. B, you can only trust yourself. C, basketball is a fun sport. Question 5, review the main idea of a media piece. During the summer, lawn and garden watering make up 40% of household water use. One easy, inexpensive, and effective way to conserve water is with a rain barrel. Which detail best supports the main idea? I made my own rain barrel, but you can buy them pretty cheaply now. It's great for watering vegetable plants and flowers around your house. I use it to fill my fish tank and even to wash the car. For more information on how you can build your own rain barrel, visit www.epa.gov and search for rain barrels. Okay? And then make sure you save all responses. Go to Submit Quiz.